Hello, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about the stock market, what it did today, and what's going to happen tomorrow. All right, let's see it. Okay, so Netflix, let's start off with Netflix. So Netflix, today it had a really good call going on because it started off above the moving average of 20, as you can see in the 15-minute and the 1 hour interval, right? It started off pretty good, and then so people really made like some money right here from 629 to 633. It was a very good call, and then it started going down. Only thing is that's good of Netflix is that in 1 hour, as you can see, this is how you see for like the next day. In 1 hour, it's looking like over the moving average of 20. So that means it's gonna keep going up tomorrow, and it looks pretty good in call as long as it maintains itself over the moving average of 20 and it doesn't go past down 628. We're looking amazing. It's gonna keep going up, and it's at 631. It's pretty good. Netflix is looking pretty good. All right, let's see AMD had a sort of struggle today. As you can see, it went down, up, blah blah blah, but as you can see right now, it broke the moving average of 20, 40, and 100. So now it's going down all the way to 176 because since it broke all these moving averages, it has to go to the next zone. So it's a nice put from 178 to 176. If this was live, you guys would have entered this put. It's pretty good. 178 to 176, and then tomorrow we'll just see what happens when the moving averages adjust, because every day the moving averages adjust to the price, right? And then the price either decides to break them or just go up with them. So for example, Netflix is going up with the moving averages, right? At least in the 1 hour time frame, which is what really matters for tomorrow. And then after, like when you're day trading, then it's 15 minutes, but tomorrow 1 hour. And then as you can see, AMD in the 15-minute mark is going downwards to 176, and tomorrow, as you can see, we put it to 1 hour right here. Tomorrow it's very tricky. We call this choppy or lateral. It really doesn't have any movement. As you can see, it's been staying here like in the price of 180 for like the longest of times. Yeah, not a lot to do when it comes to swing, right? Because it's breaking wherever 20 but doesn't break it fully, etc, etc. At least in the 15-minute mark, you can make a lot of moves with it, right? In the 15-minute mark, you could have seen this call right here. Like the moment it broke the moving average of 20, 40, and 100, you buy a call. I told you guys to 100%, so 179 to 181. That's definitely 100% in calls, depending on what strike you buy, right? And then it just went downwards, and then right here, once it broke the moving average 20, 40, and 100, you just buy this nice put to 176, and you have a nice put in day trading, right? Speaking of swing trading, which means from today to tomorrow, or swing trading is basically from day to day. Instead of like day trading same day, it's day to day. So basically for swing trading, I don't see a lot of movement, right? It's choppy. It's between hella moving averages, between the moving average of 40, of 200, and 20. Not a lot of movement right there, right? Let's check another company, Nvidia. Nvidia is looking amazing for trading, for swing trading. Why? Because it just broke the moving average 20, which means it's gonna go down to the moving average of 40, and we can see a nice put, right, 933 to 906. Oh my gosh, I might even buy this call right now. Since it's hold up. Yeah, let's buy this call right now. I mean this put, sorry. Oh my gosh. Yeah, Nvidia nasty put. Let's see how much puts are going for. Oh my gosh. Yeah, they're pretty expensive. Damn. Yeah, no, the puts are going amazing for Nvidia, right? So yeah, Nvidia, very high chance to just go all the way to what, 912 to the moving average of 40, because you know the moving average of 40 is going to keep going up. So I'd estimate like with 912, it's going to keep going, and then it's just going to meet there. Very nice put for Nvidia. Especially in the day-to-day, and then the 15-minute, massive put to 925. Oh my god. Hold up, let me just buy this put, because it's 944. I can make some money. Oh my gosh. Nah, yeah, it's nasty. All right. Nvidia, Okay, let's check coin. Alright, so coin basically same thing as Nvidia. It's looking immaculate for puts, like absolutely marvelous, especially like what's it called? Same day trading. Like right now it has a nice puts a nice to 262. Let's see from day to day though, like for tomorrow. For tomorrow it's not as clear. Why? Because it's above the moving average of 20, so it has to break the moving average 20. But if it breaks the moving average of 20, it also breaks the middle line of the Bollinger Bands. You know what that means. Breaks the middle line of the Bollinger Bands, it's going all the way to 251, which is incredible for puts. And if it breaks the moving average of 20, at least the moving averaging side, it's going to 251. So yeah, it has to A, break the moving average of 20, or B, break the middle line and Bollinger Bands. Same zone, you know what I mean? And then same targets. Either when it breaks, we just have to see this tomorrow, right? Coin. Now let's go to IWM. IWM is looking extremely choppy, as you can see in Bollinger Bands. It closed. Like you see how when it's big it means there's a lot of volatility, right? A lot of volatility means whatever move it does, it pays you a lot, right? Like this move right here, if it happened when it was closed volatility, it wouldn't even pay you anything. But since it happened in high volatility, it pays you a lot because it means a lot of traders are in it, right? This is what's happening here. The volatility is closing, which means any movement it does inside of it when it has like such little volatility, right? You see the Bollinger Bands like huge here and now small here. You know, small here, huge here, small here, huge here. That means volatility, right? And since the volatility seems so low right now, I just wouldn't recommend trading because any move it does, it's just not going to give you a lot of profit, right? All right, let's check. Apple. All right, so Apple's looking. All right, so day to day, it's looking like it's going down, right, to 169. It's below the moving average of 20, and from the middle line to the edge, I just see it going down to 169. Not a lot of movement though. It's just 1 point. I just wouldn't trade that. 15 minutes. 15 minutes. Yeah, about the same thing. Just wouldn't trade that. 15 minutes is just choppy. I just wouldn't trade that at all. All right, let's check AXP. AXP. So basically, AXP from day to day is looking very dangerous in a good way. Well, if you have put, very dangerous in a good way. Because if it breaks 224, that would mean it goes all the way down to the moving average of 100, and that's 221, which is about 3 points. In a company like AXP, that's a lot of money. That's a lot of money, right? And then in Bollinger Bands, it would equal breaking the edge and then expanding the edge, and then the edge would just expand downwards, just like right here. Like, you know, there's a lot of examples of an edge expanding downwards. There. So it's looking pretty good if it breaks to 24.5. And then finally, let's check Tesla. Tesla is looking, well, at least day to day, it's looking like if it breaks the moving average of 100, it could go downwards to 175. But if it gets its game together and starts going up and breaks the 183 mark right here, right? Because that's an automatic zone. It's an automatic zone. Why? Because if a price goes up somewhere, right, and then it just out of nowhere just retreats, that's a zone. That means there's someone like a big corporation selling at that moment at that price, right? So they're clearly setting at 183. What does that mean? 183.94. Sorry. What does that mean? That means there's a zone at 183.94. That means if it goes again, there's a high probability that they'll sell again at 183.94 and then make the price drop. That's what a zone means, right? So basically, it has to break the zone of 183.94. Breaking means that person magically just doesn't want to sell at that point anymore, right? And then if it lets it go, then from 183.94, it can go all the way to 189, which is a big call for Tesla. Though looking realistically, it's looking like a put, especially in the Bollinger Band side. It's looking from the edge to the middle line, which I can see to 174. So I can see a put to 174 from Tesla. Now in 15 minutes, you know, day trading, yes, looks like a put too. So yeah, that's what's happening with Tesla. And guys, thank you so much. Please like, comment, and subscribe in the video. Tell me what company you want me to check. Thank you so much. Sorry it took so long. I had to take a vacational break, personal reasons. So thank you guys for everything. Thank you for the support and continue grinding. And we are getting better each and every day. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.